Almost a year after the first Fold, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 is also here. While the original Fold slowly pushed itself to become the pinnacle of Android luxury, the Fold 2 will want to do better, both in terms of acceptance and performance. After a few hours of fiddling around with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2, here are 5 things that caught my eye. This is by no means a full review and is a superficial first look at the best. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 price in India, Rs 1,49,999. Number 1. Better second screen. The Fold offers a second screen on the outside when the phone is folded. And for all practical purposes, this is the screen you will react to first, taking calls, framing pictures, and even doing a quick search. So the best new thing in the Fold 2 is this cover display, which is now much bigger than before. At 6.23 inches, this is as tall as the largest smartphones, but not as wide. The Fold had a 4.6-inch display which now feels woefully inadequate in front of the new one. As expected, the new Super AMOLED display is crisp and bright and works well under the bright sun too. The front camera here is also a punch hole on the screen. Number 2. Better folding. The fold of the Fold 2 itself feels better and smoother. Samsung did have some initial hiccups with the Fold, and while they were fixed, it was clear this was a new form factor to be dealt with. The Fold 2 seems like a more matured design. The hinge is smoother and the folding mechanism seems far more robust. However, you still need to apply a bit of pressure to open the Fold, and that is a bit hard with just one hand. Number 3. Better design. The design feels more metallic and premium. The entire body now has an anodized finish which is pretty cool and again gives the feeling of a phone that is built to last. Also, such robust quality just legitimizes this new form factor. The camera bump is also more akin to the S20 series and hence gels with the rest of the Samsung flagships, which is again adding to the premium look and feel. Number 4. Better cameras. The first Fold had a cut in the larger screen to hold the front-facing camera. The Fold 2 uses a punch-hole camera on the screen. Now, step back and take in what this means. You have a punch-hole camera in a display that folds. This is a testament of the versatility of the ultra-thin glass as well as the confidence Samsung now has with the foldable form factor. The triple camera setup is different too and has bump like the Galaxy Note 20. It is also as good as the Note 20 and one of the best you will find on an Android phone. Things to note with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Well, the Fold 2 is better for sure. But that does not mean the crease of the folded screen has gone away. You do notice that when the screen is dark and you have light falling on it from certain angles. The Fold is slightly heavier than before. But thanks to the superb grip the folded Fold 2 offers, you should not have any issues managing the phone. No, you cannot remove the plastic cover on the inside screen and you notice it is there at times. So friends, this is the whole story of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Few hours of fiddling around with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, here are 5 things that caught my eye. Expected. If you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. We will continue to bring you such exciting videos every day. Thank you.